How to create a YouTube channel. Now that we've covered all 4 key elements of creating a YouTube video, that is the script, voiceover, video, and thumbnail picture, it's time to move on to the final step, uploading your video to YouTube. However, before you upload your video, you need to have a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a simple process. All you need is your Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account, create one. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Click the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. Sign in using your Gmail account. Enter the password. Click on Next. Important tip: avoid using your personal email for your YouTube channel. It's more professional to create and use a separate email specifically for your channel. Whatever your niche is, set up a dedicated business email for it. Opening a personal YouTube account is not recommended. Instead, use a professional Gmail account, as we said before. Create one if you don't already have it. It is important to keep in mind that you'll need this separate Gmail account when accessing various websites for AI voiceovers, stock video footage, and other related activities. Using the same Gmail account across all your YouTube automation tasks will make it easier to run and manage your channel over time. Ideally, your email should relate to your niche. Be creative, keep it simple, be smart, and consider using ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas. Now, to actually create your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. If you did not add a picture, your name's initial should show. Now select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. By default, it uses your Gmail account name, but you can customize or change it. When choosing a name for your YouTube channel, it's important that it clearly reflects the niche or subject matter you're focusing on. This not only helps potential viewers understand what your content is about at a glance, but it also aids in attracting the right audience. Enter your channel's name and click on Create Channel, and congrats, you have now created your YouTube channel. Since no videos have been uploaded to your channel, the interface appears empty. However, once you start uploading videos, they will begin to appear here. You can click on More for additional details. As you can see, it displays the date when the channel was created along with the link to your channel. In the next chapter, we'll dive deeper into exploring the dashboard so we can become more familiar with its features and how to navigate it effectively.